Hello, dear student. How are you? I hope you are all will be fine. I'm also fine. Thank you. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to your own channel. Sorry. Okay, let's start today. Our topic is priority order of the functional groups in nomenclature of organic compound. When you when you give the name to any organic compound, you should need to know about the functional group priority, that which will be. Let's suppose that this is the complex. Let's suppose this is the compound. Let's suppose this is the compound. If here is OH group attached, while this is the compound, here is here is H group attached, and this is here is O. When this is the compound, when here is double bond O attached, here is CH3. When this is the compound, where here is O attached, here is CH3. What will be the name of the given? It mean if here is OH group attached, here is also OH group attached, here is also double bond present, here three different functional group present. This is one functional group, aldehyde functional group. This is alcohol functional group. This is alkene functional group. So which will be show the property of the compound, means it will be show aldehydic property or ketonic property or alcoholic property or alkenic property, olefinic property. Which property will be show that you can be measured that from the priority order of the functional group. So it is very necessary, it is very important topic. So let's discuss. If let's suppose this is the compound, this is the compound. Here instead of here is O, here is O, this instead of this carbon, here is OH, here is double bond O, here is S group attached. So here is OH attached, here is halide attached, Cl, here is NH2 attached. Then what will be the name of this compound? Here is many different functional group. There is that is carboxylic group, that is carboxylic group, carboxylic acid group, that is alkyl halide group. This is ether group. This is alcohol group. This is thiol group. This is amine group. So what will be happen? What will be the name of the complex? The what will be the property of the this complex will show the property of the functional groups. Which functional group will be the have the high priority? So okay, let's start today's topic. Let's high show the priority order of the functional groups. Yeah, yes, student. These are the priority order of functional groups in nomenclature of organic compound. Mean if there is different alkyl, if there is different groups attached in any nomenclature, if you are just going to give the name to any complex organic molecule, if the complex molecule have different alkyl, if you, the complex molecule have different functional groups attached, so what will be its priority order? What will be the main name? What will be the basic chain? What will be the main chain of the complex? The main chain will be, if there is carboxylic acid group attached, the first should be your priority order, that the main chain will be carboxylic acid, the compound will be carboxylic acid. If there is, let's suppose, alkane group alkene attached, aldehyde attached, alcohol attached, amines attached, then what will be the main name? The main name will be aldehyde, because aldehyde has most priority in this order. So according to this order, the carboxylic acid has first priority, which is RC double bond OH. Acid, again acid anhydride has second priority below the carboxylic acid. So RC double bond OOC double bond OH. This is acid anhydride. Ester RC double bond OOR. And fourth number ethyl halide, five number amide, six number nitrile, seven number aldehyde, eight number thioaldehyde, nine number ketones, 10 number thiones, 11 alcohol, 12 thiol, 13 amines, 14 ether, 15 sulfide, 16 alkene, 17 alkyl, 18 alkyl halide, 19 nitro, and 20 alkane. These are the priority order of the nomenclature. So let's suppose if this is the complex, let's suppose this is the complex having OH group attached. Here is OH group attached. Here is double bond O attached. Here is NH2 attached. Here is NH2 attached. Here is chlorine attached. Here is double bond present. So what will be the name? Here is also, it is alcohol group, it is ketonic group, it is amine group, and it is alkyl halide, it is halide group, it is double bond. What will be the main chain? What will be the compound? The compound will be belong when you see the priority orders. According to priority order, what will be the name? The name will be like that, that has RC double bond ONH2. Yeah, there is ketonic present. Ketone is here. Yeah, this is ketone is on 9 number. Alcohol is present. Alcohol is on 11 number. Alkyl halide is present, which is on 18th number. While double bond is present, which is on 16th number. While NH2 group is present, NH2 is on the amines, it is on 13 number. OH is alcohol, which is on 11 number. So according to the priority order, ketones have the most highest priority order. So the basic name will be ketone, and you will be the remaining all groups will be like as a substituent, while the main group will be the name of the, it will be show the nature of the compound. This compound will be ketonic compound. So this is very important, very important topic today. You can also take screenshot, or you can rewind the video. Also you can, if you have any confusion, if you have any question, if you have any problem, you can ask me in comment section. Also you can ask me in my private WhatsApp and in Gmail. I put my WhatsApp number and Gmail address in description box. You can get from there. Okay. Also subscribe my channel. It make me feel happy that my students are supporting me. Okay, thank you. Very best of luck, my dear student. Very best of luck.